Yo, welcome back to Almost Anglers. It's boat recovery day, man. So it's finally that time. We're on the way to get the boat. We got to do a little work to it, air up the tires, get all the lug nuts tightened down nice and tight. Make sure everything's good there. I got Andrew behind me. I don't know if you can see him. My window's kind of dirty. Yeah, you can kind of see him back there. So we're gonna head towards my house. We might have to stop at the store and grab a few things. We'll keep up with you if we need to get some things. I might need some WD-40, I'm not gonna lie. Those things looked like they needed some love when I was over there scoping out what we had going on. So until then, y'all have fun, y'all relax. Hope y'all enjoy this video today, and yeah. Yo, we just pulled up. Here's the boat. As you see, tires flat. Lug nuts halfway on. I grabbed that WD-40 like I said. So we just tore all this junk that was sitting on top. So we're gonna start airing up the tires, checking out the size of the hitch, make sure I got the right size. Once we get all that figured out and it's holding air and we're comfortable with what we're doing, tow her on down to the storage unit and we'll get to tearing her apart. And yeah, I don't know how much we're gonna get.
We are missing one lug, but they're going on.
We got 4 of them. I ain't worried about a thing.
Did you check the other side?
No, I can't get to that side. I'm gonna squeeze through.
See if the camera can tell us. What do you guys see? I can't see it.
Alright, so we gotta stop at this Farmer Fleet. We gotta get a new tire for the trailer. Unfortunately, it is too far off the rim, so we can't get no air in it. So catch you inside, grab a new tire, head back to the house. Alright, so just arrived. Found our tire we need. Oh, this is a 4 lug though. We need to find a 5 lug. I believe right here. 4 ready, 5 lug. Bad boy. So go home, install it on the tire, or the trailer, and then we'll be set to sail, get it down to the shop and start working on it. See you then. Alrighty, so back to the house we are. New one off. Let's get the old one off, new one on. So this part will kind of clip here and there. It's gonna get very noisy, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So ooh, that one is backing. There she goes.
Make sure the valve stem is out.
Yep. It'll be a nice freshie.
We'll have to see how many pounds it says it holds and we'll put that together.
Yeah. There she is.
As you guys can see, we got the Sport Trail Edition.
Yeah, we'll upgrade the other side down the road. This is a $50 tire.
Yeah, I put some air in the other tire over here, and it looks like it's holding.
Hey, that's all that matters as long as it's holding. We got a freshie on. So
That's a good thing it spins.
yeah, that's good. Nothing's locked up.
Alrighty, well let's get these jacks down. Let's see if we can get the boat jack down and try to back it up a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, we got to try and back it up a little bit out of this spot, and then I think somehow swing it. So I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll see.
Just sorry, darn it, I'm gonna have to beep that. This girl's so light we can just pick it up.
Yeah. They don't have any trailer lights, so we'll have to.
Oh gosh, I can already see it's on the trailer, crooked. Well, we're going to the storage unit where we're gonna do some work. We're gonna probably cut into a little time lapse here of us going down there. Hopefully we make it all right. Alrighty, we are here at the storage unit, guys. I'm gonna go make sure that this is the right one. And we're gonna see Jeremiah try to back this trailer up. Yeah, it'd help if I had my keys.
lapping around, just trying to look for a dumpster. Here's my camper. We haven't showed you guys this yet. Be ready for those videos this summer. We're doing a lot of camping. We hit it one time last year at the end of the year, and she did the job. Heat works in there, air works in there. Don't got no bathroom. We're not that fancy. No shower. Actually, we do have a shower on the outside, but everything worked. I mean, perfectly when we used it. Do you like it?
Oh yeah, it was actually a lot nicer than I was expecting.
Oh no, literally, like I was expecting it to be some like piece of crap, but no, stole it from the dude basically, 400 bucks. So
we were comfy. I think we slept like 5 in there one night.
yeah, like easily we had 5 and a dog. Don't forget about the dog.
Might have been a Chihuahua, but
whatever it was. So like I said, we're looking for a dumpster right now. We got a lot of stuff we gotta pull out this boat. Alright, we're switching over the GoPro for a little bit.
Getting this carpet pulled out.
Look at that. We're already looking that much better, boys.
Here's
that's the old tire.
There's the old tire. It wasn't getting any air.
Yeah, she wasn't gonna air up anytime soon. That's the old one still.
Ooh, this one's on. The other ones were just kind of in there. Let's try this side. Oh yeah, this side's a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Okay, anything that we don't need in this? Ooh, honestly, this might be useful with the carpet.
Yes.
No. Yeah, we got a little bit of water in there.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. We got a nice rain last night, so.
We actually had flash flooding in the town next to us.
Alright.
I feel like we might have to cut that one out. It's like stapled in.
Get the knife.
I think I'm standing on it.
Yeah!
Oh, here, hand me that scraper.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew this thing was going to come in handy. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, where'd that scraper go?
Where did it go?
Oh, right here. I was like, pause. How did we just look at it?
Nice. Ooh.
That's a shot right there. Gross. Woo!
Should have brought a shovel too while we were at it.
Yeah, or burn.
It's alright. We got another day.
We'll come back with like a 5-gallon dumpster.
Yes.
Trash can or something.
This is what we've pulled out so far. Joshy boy ain't gonna be too happy with us.
Hey, but it's starting to come along.
Yeah. It's already looking so much better.
Oh yeah, this piece we're gonna have to replace too. It's just literally
Yeah.
falling apart right here.
Yeah, it's like the middle of the frame for that seat. No, I didn't look for. Oh, you can't even see it back here. I was gonna look for a drain hole on the back.
We
of
do
this.
have one. It's in the middle.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, sweet. There it is. Yep.
Yeah, so we'll try to give you guys like a good idea of what we want to do here. We're thinking we're gonna put the casting deck back on it.
Yeah, probably gonna go from this seat back. That's all casting.
We might move it up a little bit though, so we can have some more storage underneath. We'll probably add another like little opening. But yeah, so we might have it come up like right here, all the way across. So we'll add in another support here, another support here, and one more right in front of the seat, just to make sure our fat asses don't fall down.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna need it. I mean, it's already, like I said, looking so much better. We just gotta get all these leaves out.
Yeah, once we get everything like trash wise out of it, we'll probably take it at some point to a car wash or something, just to kind of flush it, and then we're gonna go through, sand it, make sure we don't have any rust holes or just any holes in general, because that's your number one enemy with the boat.
Honestly, we can go through on these cracks and just patch it with something, just so we know inside it's not leaking. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I like that.
Just double proof it just to make sure. Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should try to drain some water out when we pull it out.
Yeah, that probably wouldn't be a bad idea.
I mean, like, until we find a spot to kind of throw this all away, we can leave it in it.
Yeah, I agree.
But we definitely need to get like a 5-gallon trash bag or something.
Alright, well, that's going to wrap up today for now. This is going to be a, I don't know how many parter, but, you know, that was a very good start for today. Got a bunch of garbage taken out, so.
Definitely going to be a multi-part series.
Yeah.
Like Jeremiah said, we don't know how many parts yet, but we're just going to keep on making videos till it's done. We have a lot of plans. This video is kind of just like a demo video, getting everything kind of bare bones. We're going to come back next time and try to shovel all that junk out, and then take it to a car wash, get it all cleaned out so we can see if there's any holes, rust holes, all that jazz.
Yep.
So make sure you keep your guys' eyes out for that video. We'll probably try to make it here in the next week or two.
Also, I want to ask you guys, let me know what you guys think. Should we keep the trailer blue, paint it black, paint it a different color, keep the boat blue? Actually, it's black, but there is blue under it. But yeah, let us know.
We want to hear your guys' feedback.
Give us some ideas, because, you know, we only know so much. This is our first boat. It's our first tear down, first build, so let us know. Keep in tune for the next video, and hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. As you heard me say, this is going to be a multi-series video, so be patient, stick around. Hope you guys enjoy everything we put out with this boat, and hopefully it's some good content. Shoot us some ideas in the comments of what we should do. Y'all have a good one.